The purpose of this video is to help you save time and help you get to success faster. And I'm going to tell you, after posting 65 videos, 5 lessons that I learned that I wish I knew sooner on YouTube. Number 1 is you want to know what your value proposition is. Basically, that's across your channel and videos. You want to know, why would somebody watch your videos? What are they going to get out of it? What's the value? Is it entertainment? Is it educational? I know my viewer avatar. I have other videos on that. I'm looking at it right now. So this video, of course, the value proposition is, if you're starting YouTube, maybe you're not 65 videos in, you're like, oh, this is interesting information. He's done it. He learned some lessons. Maybe I can take some insights from some of those lessons. Even though I'm not like a huge creator, right? I still have made 65 videos, and I still have some that failed and some that were a little bit more successful with a few thousand views instead of hundreds. So there is something to be learned, and it's up to you to decide how valuable that is. Number 2 is, for every video, extremely important is to have a good hook. Now, a hook is in the first 10 to 30 seconds. Really hit that value proposition home, create some tension and maybe some curiosity, open some loops, as in maybe not quite cliffhangers, but open those loops in that people want to keep watching to figure out, oh, what's going to happen, or why did that happen, or maybe get the value out of the video. Now, this is one of those things that takes a lot of practice to get good at, because you want to make sure you have a good hook and then follow it up through the video and keep it engaging to get viewer retention. I'm going to talk more about viewer retention at the very end, with some important insights on that. Number 3 is have a good CTR. Now, CTR stands for click-through rate. So click-through rate is on your videos of impressions. So impressions are how many times your video was shown in the home feed, suggestion, which is on the watch page of a video along the side, or on mobile in the bottom. And you can go deep into your advanced analytics and see. And very often you'll have different average view durations and very different click-through rates based on whether the viewers came from suggested or the home feed or search. Search is another one. So for example, search often has a much higher click-through rate, especially if you're a very niche topic, because people are looking for that very particular thing. Whereas homepage or suggestions might have a lower click-through rate because it's just a much more broad audience. So when you're making your video and your title and your thumbnail, make sure that you have determined, okay, this one's for browse, this is for search. Don't try and do it all. Pick one lane and really focus on it and narrow in on it and become really good at it. Number 4 is you want to keep retention. You want to keep people engaged. This is another thing that takes practice. One of the best ways to keep high retention is not hacks or tricks, but good storytelling or fulfilling on the value proposition. And a good hook plays into a good part of that, because there's the sunken cost theory, which means if you can get somebody to watch further, so you want to kind of action pack the beginning, get them to watch it, and once they've kind of been in the video long enough, they're like, okay, I'm committed to seeing this through, then they're more likely to watch. It gets easier to hold that retention as the video goes on. The very beginning, people are deciding, first of all, was it even clickbait? Am I going to get what I came for? Which is why you should be clear on the value proposition. Number 5 outshines everything else, and that is, try not to think about the algorithm or how I can get more retention, more click-through rate. These things do matter. These are things you can focus on. These are numbers. These are like the human numbers connected to it, right? Because if people aren't clicking, or if people are clicking, that affects your click-through rate. But at the end of the day, just think of the viewers. Don't think, oh, I have to make this video 10 minutes for some arbitrary reason. Ask yourself, when you're making a decision on a video on how to edit it or do it or whatever, Will this benefit the viewer more or less? And always do the one that will benefit the viewer more. If it's a very quick tutorial, you're like, oh, I want to drag out this, software tutorial for 15 minutes to get more watch time, when it's something that could be answered in 60 seconds, it would be better just to make the 60-second video. If you're looking for more content about how to improve your YouTube channel, go to my channel, check out some other videos, and let me know what you think in the comments.